my friends, Vasilis here. I hope you are doing well. So, and again, you know at my channel I'm always searching for low budget solutions. Okay, we all know how expensive gear is. So, if you need a screen for your camera, maybe you have the A7 III camera, Sony, and you know that the A7 III doesn't have a flip screen camera, and you want to see yourself, okay? It is simple. You want to see yourself. You can't do it. So you don't have to buy a monitor for this. You don't have to buy. You can use your phone. What do you need? So, you need an micro. Oh man. You need a micro USB. Oh, sorry. You need a cable. My camera has a micro HDMI. So, and the one end to the camera is micro HDMI. To the other side, it is HDMI. You need a capture card and a USB to USB-C. Then you need an application. Okay, this application, because it is free, it has shows you messages here. So you click and no, not messages. How is this called? Werbung. Werbung. Wie vermisses? Oh, fuck. Come on. It shows you advertisements, but for simple use, you see, this app works. No, I don't see any lagging here. It simply works. So, application on your phone. My phone is a Samsung A50, USB-C. This is a USB-C to USB adapter. This is a simple capture card. I think I paid for this capture card, I don't know, 10, 15 euros, almost nothing. And you need an HDMI cable to mini HD, micro HDMI. Oh. That was it for today. Hope somehow I helped you with this shitty video today. This was catastrophic today, but it is an easy solution, so you don't have to buy an external monitor and pay money for that. Use an old phone, and if you don't like the advertisements on the application, simple buy the application. The money will be less than you would buy a screen. Okay, this works quite good. Okay, and this was it. My friends, message. Okay, my friends, hope you are doing well. I hope you kinda like this shitty video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the new subscribers. Whoa, amazing. 100 subscribers. Yeah. Greetings from Greece. Ich grüße alle Deutschsprachigen da draußen. To my German friends. Hallo meine Freunde. Also bis nächstes Mal. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Ciao, ciao.